What's the crack, guys? This is Mark here from Retrophonic Media, and today I'm going to show you the correct way to use reverb and delay inside of Fruity Loops. It's important to use this method as it will make it easier on your computer to run the project, especially if you're on a lower end system, as you will only be running one instance of the effect for an unlimited number of elements, as opposed to each individual component having a different effects unit. As always, this is quick and simple, so let's get it done. So first of all, I'm going to show you the wrong way of doing this, and this is called an insert effect. So that's where you have all of your individual components here linked to your mixer. And say if I'm just looking at the clap here, you can solo the clap. So basically you'd go to slot 1 and you would insert a reverb effects unit, and now you would hear reverb on it. But say you also want some reverb on the hi-hats and the snare. So then you're going to go over here and you're going to put in reverb on that. And you're going to put in reverb on the snare as well. So now we actually have 3 different instances of one effects unit, but they're all doing the same thing. So the computer now has to use 3 times the processing power that it would actually need to be using. I'm just going to disable all of these in here. The correct way of doing this is to, if you pick any channel, and I'm going to name this reverb, and then if you right click on it and click dock to write, it's going to be here the entire time. And then on this channel, then I'm going to put in my reverb unit, and this is the one we're going to be using. I'll just get rid of these other ones so it's not confusing. So this is our reverb over here. And then if you click on the channel you want to have reverb on, you can see then there's a little arrow here. And now we have sent this track here over to our reverb channel. And I can change the amount of reverb being applied by using this dial here. And you can see up in the top left, you're going to see it here, the percentage that it's being applied to. So let's pick 25 or something like that. Let's put it on 50 so you can hear it better. And the same thing again, we can go to this channel. Hi-hat's going to send it, apply it by 50%. And the snare, going to apply it by 50% as well. So now we've one instance of reverb on our send effects channel here, and then we have the clap, hi-hat and snare all routed to it at 50%, and you can hear it. And this is particularly useful to do this because, like we were talking about with automation clips in the previous episode, if I go in here and click create automation clip, now when I go into the track with this automation clip here, I can effectively control all the reverb for the entire track with this automation clip. Now, it's not to say that this is the only way you can do it, or that's it's the complete correct way to do it. Sometimes you may have an individual, they call it an insert effect. You may have it on individual tracks. There may be a very specific delay or something like that. And also as well, if you're doing specific things, like if I was EQing a kick, I'd put a parametric equalizer on this channel, but I wouldn't necessarily create a send for an equalizer. So just different situations require different things. But as always, thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations for any topics you would like to see me cover, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. And you can make contact with me at retrophonicmedia.com.